Hello, Beez Bladers. Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. I'm going to do a quick review of this knife because someone won it on the live stream. And well, this was part of the prize package. There's a live stream every Friday night on the Beez Blades channel, Beez Blades Live at the Hive. All right. But this was part of the winnings, and this week I've been doing a lot of budget knives, and I figured why not put a budget knife in there. I've had this one for about 11 months now, almost a year. I've enjoyed it. You can get this knife for like $18, $19. This particular one is this is the Firebird Firebird FB727S, and it's the Ganzo Firebird. It is a budget knife. I absolutely love it. It's lightweight, and we're going to go over everything real quick. It's not going to take very long. This is going to be a quick one for the Beez Hive. All right, are you ready? Are you set? Ooh, let's check it out. So from one end to the other. Now, I will tell you right now, I looked them up. You can get them for like $18 for the gray one, $19 for the black one, or that might be reversed. I didn't see this carbon fiber overlay on there on Amazon, but it could be. And of course, prices change. So if you're watching this a year from now, it could be cheaper, it could be more, who knows? But you're around the $20 mark. So check it out. Look at the fit and finish. I mean, it has a really nice satin grind, satin finish. Looks really nice. The thumb studs are nice and comfortable. And like I said, I've had this a while. It needs cleaned out. I'm not going to do a disassembly on it because I'm sending this out to the person that won the giveaway last night. If they want to take it apart and clean it, they can. But I figure at this point, I'm going to leave it just like it is. I've had no problems with it. This knife has been really comfortable in and out of the pocket. And you can see inside there, the liners are nice and milled out for weight. Let me get that out of the way. The liners, you see the reflection, and on the inside there, those holes, it's nice and lined out. It's nice and milled out, and something I always enjoy with the G10 handles, I like when the liners are not inset, because then you don't have those sharp edges from the G10. And this right here is carbon fiber overlay on top of G10. Super solid feeling. We'll go over all that stuff. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You guys already know. I'm going to give you the specs in less than 60 seconds. All right, let's get a quick weight, and then we'll do the specs in 60 seconds. I'm going to guess it's pretty light. I'm going to guess 3 ounces. And it comes back to 2.93. Yeah, that's very close. Very close. All right, let's do the specs in 60 seconds. Are you ready? Are you set? Let's go. Your total length from tip to tip is 7 1/4 inches. You have a drop point blade with 440C steel. Your blade finish is satin. You got a full flat grind, which is very nice. Very, very nice. And your total blade length is 3.09 inches from the handle and 3.03 inches for your sharpened blade length. Your blade width is 0.9 inches. Your blade stock is nice and thin. It's 100 thousandths, which is very nice. Your thickness behind the edge is between 17 and 19 thousandths. And your handle material is G10 with a carbon fiber overlay. Now, your handle length is 4.16 inches. Your handle width is 0.96 inches. Your closed width completely is 1 1/4 inches. Your handle thickness is less than 1/2 inch, 0.45. Your opening methods is thumb stud or the crossbar lock. In the pivot, there's a T8, and then you have T6 body screws. Your lock is an Axis style lock. I'm not sure what they want to call it. Lock bar. Crossbar lock. Your pocket clip is right side and left side tip up carry, which is very nice. Very, very nice. So there you go. There's your specs. And I'm just going to jump all around here tonight, apparently. But as far as the strength, this thing is rock solid. That's why I had no problem giving this one away, because I've had it this long. I haven't overused it or anything like that, but this is one of those knives that, you're not afraid to use it. It's not a safe queen. You can throw it in the tackle box, toolbox, back of your car, wherever, and it's good to go. Go out and do some yard work, you're good to go. So I'll do some quick size comparisons to give you guys an idea of how big or small it is. That way you can decide if this is the knife you may want to get. Heck, for the price, who wouldn't? So here's the Spyderco Delica 4. Here's the Spyderco Tenacious. See, it's not a small knife. It's not a big knife. It's, pretty much average. Now, here's a Firebird, a Ganzo Firebird, the FH922. Go watch my video on this. I freaking love this knife. And I think it's like 26, 28 bucks, somewhere around there. It's freaking awesome. I love it. Drop shutty action. Here's the CRKT Pilar 3. So there you go. A lot of you have this one. A lot of you have that one. That gives you an idea of size. Now here's one that I think everybody in the knife world, if they don't have one, is probably going to get one. But here's the QSP Penguin. So there you go, size-wise. And I'll just throw a bigger one out here, just a little bit bigger. It's the Civivi Riffle. And there's also a video on that and a video on that one if you want to go watch those. All right, let's go over deployment and a quick call to action while I'm thinking about it. If you haven't subscribed to Beez Blades already, subscribe. Please hit that like button, hit the bell button. That way you get notified of giveaways and all the upcoming stuff that's happening. And definitely be here on Friday nights at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Beez Blades live at the Hive. All right, you ready? Let's check out deployment. Look how smooth this thing is. So easy, so easy. And then shutting, look at that. Would y'all look at it? You can open it with the lock bar or the crossbar, and it just sucks the blade in. Look at that. You can also reverse flick it. And something else is you can use just your thumb, like to unlock it. You can use just your thumb and it drops. You can also use your index finger. It's really easy to operate. You can use it left-handed. Obviously, you can reverse the clip. So this is definitely, what do you call it? Lefty friendly. There's definitely some lefty love going on right there. But deployment is so freaking nice. And if you want to sit and fidget with it, you can just, you know, all day long. You can do that all day long, but get it out of your pocket, open it, use it, put it back in your pocket. That's the whole purpose of a one-handed knife. Am I right? Am I right? So fidget factor, plenty of fidget factor. You can play with this thing all day long while you're not actually using it. Now let's check out the ergos. My hand is 4 inches. Look at that. I marked on myself. 4 inches from here to here, 3.5 from here to here. And from the bottom of my palm to the end of my middle finger is 7.25. Look at there. Plenty of room. It's comfortable. There's no hot spots. Nothing bothers me. If anything, I would feel this edge, but that's the case on any knife that doesn't have completely neutral ergos. I'm just having too much fun. I had so much fun on the live stream tonight. 3.5 hours. It was a freaking blast. Anyway, back to the knife. The ergos are comfortable. I've enjoyed using it. Nice, thin, slicey blade. It's strong. You have some jimping right here. And the jimping, it's not aggressive. It's just right. Perfect ramp for your thumb. I have, a large size hand. Let me back out a little more. I have a large size hand. I have plenty of handle. Your thumb just falls on there. It's great for utility cutting. It's a good all-around, everyday EDC knife. You're not going to go out and cut down trees with it or anything like that. But overall, I like the knife. It has good ergos. It's freaking around $20 or less. And it's an Axis style lock. It's smooth. I mean, look at this. It's running on steel ball bearings. I'm sure they're steel. I doubt for this price that they would be ceramic. Like I said, I'm not going to take this one apart, but I'm going to go with steel ball bearings. It definitely has the ball bearings in there. Super smooth, drop shutty. It's a great everyday carry knife, and I'll put a little clip up here of what it looks like going in and out of the pocket. But overall, I recommend it. A lot of you love these budget knives, and I do too, because if you lose it, it's not the end of the world. You can buy another one for 20 bones. Am I right? Am I right? All right. But I really appreciate you guys when you leave comments in the comment section on all the videos. Tell me what you had for breakfast. Tell me what you think about the knife. Do you have a Ganzo? Do you like Ganzo? Tell me what you think. We'll talk about it. And, I do my best to answer every single one of you. Sometimes YouTube will hold a comment, but I'll always get back to you. But I appreciate you guys and gals. Thanks for watching. And let me know what you think about this bad boy. But remember, live life in the present. Keep a Band-Aid handy. And don't cut yourself.